Here's a tip most people don't realize. When boiling eggs, don't just drop them straight into water. Today, I'll show you how to boil eggs the 5-star restaurant way. Watch the video to see how, and let me know where you're watching us from. Before putting eggs in the pot, take 5 minutes to clean them thoroughly. First, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and salt. Next, pour water to cover the eggs. Soak them for 5 minutes so that the salt and baking soda can disinfect and clean them. Finally, use a towel to gently wipe the eggs clean. I will show you 2 tips of making hard-boiled eggs. We'll start by adding 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar, and 1 cup of water into our pressure cooker. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Your support truly means the world to us. Next, gently place the eggs into the steamer basket and cover the lid tightly. For soft-boiled eggs, steam for about 6 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs, 10 to 12 minutes is ideal. Here's my second tip for making perfect hard-boiled eggs nice and easy. Into the pot, add 1 tablespoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of distilled vinegar. Then pour in about 2 cups of water. Give it a gentle mix and bring it to a boil. Once it's bubbling, carefully lower in the eggs and let them cook for about 9 to 10 minutes. These 2 ingredients help the shells separate more easily. The eggshell react with the acetic acid and vinegar, softening the shell so it practically falls off with a gentle tap. Once our eggs are ready, take them out of the steamer and also out of the boiling pot and plunge them straight into the ice-cold water. The sudden temperature drop causes the shell to contract and separate quickly from the white. Let the eggs sit until they're completely cool to the touch. Next, gently tap the egg with a spoon and peel a small section. And look at that! The shell comes off effortlessly. The egg looks gorgeous. Here is a quick tip. Avoid drinking tea right after eating eggs. The protein in eggs can react with tannic acid in tea, causing indigestion. Also, don't eat eggs with soy milk. The combination hinders nutrient absorption from both foods. Here's a bonus tip for serving hard-boiled eggs this festive season. Most people just sprinkle a little salt and call it a day, but try this instead. You won't regret it. Chop some fresh tomatoes and onions. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vinegar and mix it into a quick salad. Lightly slice your eggs, spoon the salad on top, and if you like, add a little sauce or even mustard. So simple, so delicious. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments. If you found it helpful, give it a like. Don't forget to share it with family and friends. And please, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us share more tasty recipes with you every week. Your support truly means the world to us. Until next time, stay hungry, stay happy, and keep cooking with love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays!